So this is a boat that came in. It was a recent purchase. When the owner bought it, took it to the lake and it didn't run. And since that time, he's done some extensive work throwing some parts at it. You can see it's a new timer base. New stator. He has a voltage regulator brought us, thought that might be a problem. Bought us a T-pack. At some point in time he replaced the reeds. Thought that might be a problem. Here's what it sounds like. Go ahead and turn the key.